Hey everyone, welcome back to Healthy You. Today we're diving into the tropical world of papaya and uncovering the amazing advantages of eating this delicious fruit every day. If you love health tips and tasty recipes, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Nutritional benefits. First up, let's talk about the incredible nutritional profile of papaya. Did you know that just 1 cup of papaya contains over 100% of your daily vitamin C needs? That's right. Vitamin C is essential for boosting your immune system and keeping your skin healthy. Plus, papaya is rich in antioxidants which help fight free radicals in your body. Digestive health. Next, let's discuss digestion. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which aids in breaking down proteins and improving digestion. Eating papaya daily can help prevent constipation and promote a healthy gut. So, if you're looking for a natural way to keep your digestive system in check, papaya is your go-to fruit. Skin benefits. Now, who doesn't want glowing skin? Papaya is packed with vitamins A and E, which are fantastic for your skin. Regular consumption can help reduce acne, improve skin texture, and even lighten dark spots. You can also use papaya in DIY face masks for an extra boost. Weight management. If you're on a weight management journey, papaya can be a great addition to your diet. It's low in calories and high in fiber, which helps you feel full longer. Incorporating papaya into your meals can satisfy your sweet tooth without the guilt. Here's a great papaya smoothie recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup ripe papaya, peeled, seeded, and chopped, 1 banana, 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup orange juice, 1 tablespoon honey, optional. A few ice cubes. Instructions: 1. Place the chopped papaya, banana, Greek yogurt, and orange juice in a blender. 2. Add honey if you prefer a sweeter taste. 3. Add a few ice cubes to make the smoothie cold and refreshing. 4. Blend until smooth and creamy. 5. Pour into a glass and enjoy. So there you have it, the amazing advantages of eating papaya every day. From boosting your immune system to a healthy digestive system and great skin. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.